That's why I be moving the way that I move. Like, I gotta run it. I gotta, shooters be dumping. Hit with that, stop out of fussing. There was no loving little bitch in my coffin. I'm with Jamaicans, we walk on the.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're just gonna go ahead and jump straight in today's video. So here are all the materials that we are going to use today. We have the Polaroid images as well as keychains, eyelets, a hole puncher, and the thing to secure the eyelets. Alright you guys, so jumping into our first steps, we're going to take our hole puncher and just punch 4 circles on each corner of our Polaroid images. You're going to have to repeat this step on all of your images. This process was very tedious, but you know, it's all repetitive. You're going to have to do the same thing to all images. So yeah, it took a lot of time, but of course you guys are only getting a few minutes of the process. I didn't want to bore you guys with the, you know, the whole thing because it's just very repetitive. So you guys, I had these images printed out as staples and I hand cut them all out. To size them, I used Canva and I just sized them all equally, and then again I got them printed as staples on glossy paper. Alright you guys, so moving on to the next step, we're going to take our eyelets and we're just going to place each eyelet into the holes that we made. And once we have them all placed, we're going to take the eyelet tool just to secure the back of the eyelet onto the image. You guys, when I tell you my hands were on fire after this DIY, so it's definitely time consuming and a hand workout in one. Alright you guys, so now that we have all the images prepped and ready for the next step, we're just going to go ahead and pick out the images as well as the order that you want them to be in on the dress. So that's what I'm doing here. At the end you guys will see them all laid out in what order I want it. It can be any order that you want, so this is the fun part. This is where you get creative. Here's the layout for mine. And you have to remember some of them will be on the back side, so I use the like non-cute ones on the back. But you'll see here that I went ahead and added the keychains to just attach them. You guys, that part was the hardest part of the project because the keychains were very hard to open and put on the eyelets, but at the end of the day we got it done. This is the final result. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yes, tag me if you guys recreate this dress. I love you guys and thank you so much.